Hey guys, Cupcake Sweetie again. I'm making this other video because I remember when I said I'm going to teach you how to make these DIY snappers. And if you didn't hear that, go check out my other video I just uploaded, and you'll see this little snappers. Instead, I'm going to teach you how to make this in another video. So I'm going to teach you guys. So here it is. It's in a little plus sign. Gonna make it in a plus sign, and I'm gonna teach you how to make it in a plus sign. So we're gonna make it in a plus sign now. If I just get this right. Hold on, guys. Sorry for the background noise if you hear anything like that. So first, we're just gonna do this. I'm outside right now, so sorry for the background noises. So make like that. Then just make like that. It's gonna look like this probably. I know it doesn't look like it's turning out that good, but trust me, it is. Do that, and then snap it like that, and like that. There you go. There's your plus sign. Now we're gonna make it into snappers. So all you're gonna want to do is, it's gonna be hard. Hold this and snap it up here, like that. Then hold these and snap it up here, like that. Oh, hold on, guys. No difficulties here. Having a little difficulties. Okay. So it should look like this. And then you hold this. And then put that like that. So it should look like this. Then, the last part, you just fold it like this again. And then, all you do is snap it. Then, you have your snappers. You can do it infinity times. I'm gonna show you how to make it out of this one too. I'm gonna make one out of this one too. Here it is, guys. Just made out of the green and blue one. And, well, here are your snappers. And you can just snap them and turn them on. And remember to like and subscribe and ring that bell. Bye, guys.